Hey guys, today's video will install BONOSS with spacers on Tesla Model 3 Performance. Easy shift to around 15mm with spacers.
For most cars, there is a difference in the track width between the front and the rear. 15mm with spacers will provide a flush stance for the front stock wheels. If you have installed bigger brake calipers and don't want to change the wheels, this is particularly effective. To perform a better look, make the front track marches more closely to the rear. Install wheel spacers should be your best choice. Being a high-end wheel spacer company, it is sure that the designs are exquisite and geared towards improving performance. A key advantage of BONOSS Tesla wheel spacer is the active cooling feature. These wheel spacers are designed with pintle-shaped grooves. The grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, actively dissipating heat for the braking system. If you intend to install performance brakes, BONOSS wheel spacers will give you a much better experience.
So that's all for today's video. If you want to get this 15mm with spacers on Tesla Model 3, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.